everyone, I'm Mahalakshmi Raju here. Have you ever seen a maize plant with stunted growth before? Today, I'm going to explain what downy mildew disease is and how it affects the maize plant. And also, I'm going to highlight the major causes and environmental conditions that promote this downy mildew infection. And lastly, I will share the effective management and prevention strategies that farmers can implement to reduce the growth of downy mildew. This can stunt maize growth and reduce yield if not detected early. Mildew is caused by Peronosclerospora species, a fungal-like pathogen that spreads in wet and humid conditions. So, how to diagnose? Check for yellow stripes on young leaves, white downy growth on the underside, and compare plant height with healthy maize. This occurs in high humidity, prolonged leaf wetness, cool mornings, and dense planting.
Hi guys, I'm Liu. Now we'll continue to the IPM strategy for maize plant. So first of all, the cultural control. We will choose the crop rotations. The crop rotations will implement by non-horse crop like soybean. It will effectively break the disease cycles and reduces pest populations, promoting healthier maize plants and enhancing overall agricultural sustainability in the field. So we'll move on to the mechanical control of downy mildew. For the mechanical control, we will remove the early infected maize seedling, which is very crucial to prevent the spread of downy mildew. This practice helps maintain the health of surrounding plants and it will ensure the better use and a robust maize crop. So we'll move on to the mycological control of the Pseudomonas. So to apply the biological fungicides like Pseudomonas fluorescens, it will enhance maize plant health by suppressing downy mildew pathogens. These eco-friendly methods will not just only protect crops, but also promotes the sustainable agricultural practices. For the systemic fungicide of maize protections, we will apply the systemic fungicides like metalaxyl, which is very important to protect the maize seedling early downy mildew infections, ensuring healthier plants and higher yields in affected fields through effective disease management strategies. That's all from me.
Hi everyone, I'm Koilani Shankar. Today I will presenting phase 4 of our maize disease management strategy, specifically focusing on the implementation and monitoring of chemical control for downy mildew. This phase is critical because it directly influences plant recovery, yield potential, and long-term field health. Let's begin with the implementation. For maize affected by downy mildew, the most effective and widely recommended approach is chemical control using systemic fungicides, particularly metalaxyl. This fungicide is known for its rapid action. Once applied, it absorbs into the plant tissues and moves systemically. That means it doesn't just protect the treated leaves, it also safeguards new growth, which is essential during the vulnerable seedling stage. Metalaxyl also has high efficacy. It directly targets the downy mildew pathogen, and both lab studies and field trials have shown significant reductions in disease incidence. This leads to healthier plants and improved yields. What makes metalaxyl especially valuable is its dual role. It has both preventive and curative properties. It can protect healthy plants from infection and suppress early stage infections in already affected seedlings. This versatility is crucial during outbreaks. As we can see, before treatment, the symptoms of downy mildew are quite visible. Leaves begin to yellow and develop brown streaks and patches, especially on the lower parts of the plant. The overall plant health deteriorates. Growth becomes stunted, stalks weaken, and the plant loses vigor. Visually, the maize looks stressed and unhealthy, which directly affects the productivity. After applying the metalaxyl, the transformation is remarkable. Leaves regain their vibrant green color, becoming smooth and free of lesions. The stalks grow upright and strong, and leaf growth becomes uniform. The plants show improved vigor and a higher yield potential. Visually, they look healthy and thriving. This is a clear indicator of successful disease management. Now, let's move to the monitoring of downy mildew on maize plant. Monitoring is essential to track progress and ensure the effectiveness of the treatment. Before applying the fungicide, we start by recording visual symptoms such as yellowing leaves, pale streaks, and any white or cottony mildew patches on the underside of leaves. We also collect baseline data such as counting the number of infected plants per plot, measuring average plant height, and taking clear photographs for documentation. This helps us establish a reference point for comparison. Application of chemical control. The fungicide is applied either as a seed treatment or a soil drench. Timing is critical. It should be done during the early seedling stage to prevent the spread of infection. The reason we use metalaxyl is because of its systemic movement inside the plant, which allows it to protect new leaves and suppress early infections effectively. After treatment, we continue monitoring every 3 to 5 days. We focus on new leaf growth and overall plant vigor. Signs of improvement include the return of healthy green coloration, the absence of new mildew patches, and increased plant height with stronger stalks. These indicators confirm that the chemical control is working and that the plants are recovering well.